We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're taking a look at this Brother MFC L3770 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your belt unit. So if you've been getting a belt unit low or replace belt unit message, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a pretty simple process. First thing you want to do, you can go ahead and leave your printer turned on, and then we're going to open this top cover. So you're just going to put your hand in this big handhold here at the front of the printer, lift it straight up until the top of it is in its locked open position. And the next thing we need to do is we need to remove all four of our toner cartridges and our drums. So we're just going to start, carefully take them out and set them down on a clean, dry, flat surface. Alright. Now that we have all four of our drums and toners removed from the printer, when you look inside there's going to be a big green handle right at the front of the printer, and that's going to be your belt unit. So you want to grab that big green handle and just gently kind of pull up and remove the belt unit from the printer. So this is your belt unit. Whenever handling these, be very careful not to touch this film. If you touch it, it can cause print defects or causes to just degrade faster than it's supposed to, and it's just not going to last as long. So always be careful whenever you're handling the belt unit to only handle it by this green plastic handle. Then again, we're going to set that on a clean, dry, flat surface. Once you have our new belt unit unpacked and ready to use, look it over, make sure there's no extra packing material on it, and then we're just simply going to reinstall our belt unit into the printer. So just set it in there, push down the green handle so you'll feel it kind of click and lock down into place. Now we can replace all of our drums and toners. Just one by one, we'll slide them all in there. Now that all of our drums and toners are reinstalled, then we can go ahead and close this top cover. And now that we've replaced the belt unit, we need to tell the printer that we replaced the belt unit because it doesn't know yet. So in order to tell the printer we replaced it, we're going to push the little icon at the bottom right hand of the screen. It's the four little status bars for your toner cartridges. So you're going to press and hold it for about 5 seconds, and a message is going to pop up asking you if you want to reset either your drum or your belt. So it's the reset menu. In this case, we replace the belt. We want to click on the belt button. It's going to ask you to reset belt, yes or no. Just click yes, and that's going to tell the printer that you have a new belt in there. It's going to reset that back to 100, and so that message is going to go away and won't come back until it's time to replace it again. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.